16 and One UI 8. Multitasking is smooth with split screen and pop-up windows, plus a handy taskbar at the bottom. Samsung has integrated Gemini AI directly into the experience. You can ask Gemini questions while running apps.
Go back to TriTech AB, your spot for the latest reviews, comparisons, and everything tech. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Samsung's brand new Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, and it comes with quite a few changes this time around. So what's new, and could this finally be the foldable phone you've been waiting for? Let's find out in our full Galaxy Z Fold 7 review. The Z Fold series has always been about premium foldable flagships. A large inner screen hidden inside a clamshell-style design, plus an outer screen you can use while folded. This year, the Fold 7 looks familiar, but brings some big refinements. It now has the 200-megapixel main camera from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The ultra-wide camera gets autofocus, making it more versatile, and Samsung replaced the under-display selfie camera with a normal 10-megapixel shooter that has a wider field of view. The biggest change you'll feel? The design. The Z Fold 7 is lighter, thinner, yet both the inner and outer screens are larger. Folded, it's just 8.9 millimeters thin, basically like a normal phone. Unfold it, and it's an insanely slim 4.2 millimeters. Despite being taller and wider, it's 24 grams lighter than last year. Durability hasn't been ignored. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, an Armor aluminum frame, and an IP48 rating for water and dust protection. The hinge is smaller but tougher, folding shut without gaps. The crease is still visible, but slightly flatter to the touch. The inner screen is now a full 8-inch foldable OLED panel with high-resolution 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, improved durability thanks to thicker glass and a titanium plate layer. The one downside? No more S Pen support. The outer screen has grown too, 6.5 inches, 1080p, 120 Hz, and now with a 21:9 aspect ratio, making it feel like a normal phone screen instead of a narrow remote control style. Brightness is slightly lower this year, peaking at around 1400 nits on both screens, but still more than enough outdoors. Stereo speakers are included, but a bit quieter than last year. Biometrics, side-mounted fingerprint reader. Storage options, 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB, no microSD slot.
The Z Fold 7 debuts with Android 16 and One UI 8. Multitasking is smooth with split screen and pop-up windows, plus a handy taskbar at the bottom. Samsung has integrated Gemini AI directly into the experience. You can ask Gemini questions while running apps. Use Gemini Live to point the camera at something and get instant help. AI can even pull info from multiple apps to give you smarter results. And yes, Samsung promises 7 years of major updates and security patches. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, just like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Benchmarks are excellent, but under stress it suffers from thermal throttling, just like many other flagships. Battery capacity remains 4,400 mAh. Inner screen endurance 11 hours 44 milliamps, outer screen endurance 12 hours 56 milliamps. Final conclusion. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 refines Samsung's foldable formula in meaningful ways. Slimmer, lighter design, larger, wider cover display, new 200-megapixel main camera, much better inner selfie cam, cutting-edge AI software features. But it also comes with some trade-offs. Quieter speakers, no S Pen support, charging is still slow. Still, if you want a thin, premium foldable with the best software experience Samsung has ever offered, the Z Fold 7 is easy to recommend. Looking for alternatives? Check out the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold or the Honor Magic V5. Thanks for watching. What do you think of Samsung's new foldable? Would you pick this over its rivals? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.